everybody, it's Jayneesa. So today I'm going to be doing a springtime makeup tutorial. Today I used the Morphe 35o3 Fierce by Nature palette. This is what it looks like. It's a really nice palette, especially for springtime. These are what the colors look like. So you see that they're very bright, very nice. I really like it. And I also use the Stila liquid eyeshadows. If you've been watching my makeup tutorials, you know that Stila liquid eyeshadows is one of my favorite products to use. What I like to do with it is just put it on the bottom corner of my eye because I really don't like to do cut creases. So I like to put glitter on the bottom of my eyes. I think it looks very nice. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and just keep watching. The first color that I'm gonna use is this beige color up at the top, just to set my base. So next I'm gonna just be using this peach color right here, and I'm gonna just apply that all over my crease. So the next color that I'm gonna use is this darker peach color right here, and I'm gonna apply this to my lid. So for lashes, I'm going to be using these wispy lashes that I got off of Amazon. I'm actually going to be using this one right here. I actually cut it and customized it a little bit because these are how it looks originally and they were a little bit too long. So I did cut it a little bit. So I'm going to be using the pair that I cut. So for primer, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. primer, and then I also have this Smashbox primer that I'm going to just use on my T-zone. And for foundation, I'm going to be using this Born This Way Too Faced foundation, and this is in the color Butter Pecan. And for concealer, I'm going to be using this Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in the color Warm Sand. And then to set my face, I'm going to be using this Too Faced Born This Way translucent setting powder. Next, I'm going to be taking my Kat Von D Shade Light palette, and I'm going to be using this darkest color in the palette just to bronze up my face a little bit. So next, I'm gonna just take that same peach color from the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna just put it on my bottom lash line. Next, I'm gonna be going in with this Stila liquid eyeshadow. This is what it looks like. And I'm gonna be using the color Rose Gold Retro. And I'm gonna just put that in the inner corner of my eye on the bottom. And the next thing I'm gonna do is just dust away all the excess translucent setting powder. And to highlight, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. highlighter. This is in the color Rose Gold. And to set my face, I'm gonna be using this NYX mattifying finishing spray. So I'm gonna just put mascara on my bottom lashes, and I'm gonna be using this Lancome mascara, and this is the same mascara I used before I put on my lashes. So for lip liner, I'm gonna be using this NYX lip liner crayon, and this is in the color mauve. And for lip gloss, I'm gonna just be using this lip gloss that I got from the beauty supply store.
And this is what it looks like when it's all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below any future suggestions for videos you would like me to do next. And until next time, bye guys.